Okay, everybody, here is the big reveal coming. We can't fit in there with me narrating and Vinny filming, so I decided to show you so you can appreciate the full length of it. It has 4 drawers, okay? This is the IKEA closet unit. 4 drawers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. It's very nice. It's, I think, 79 or 80 inches high, so it's sizable. And look how much we fit on there. Vinny was gracious enough to give me the top shelf where my denim are, and then I continued it all the way up. I reorganized. Let me show you. See, now here is a basket in the back there, and all my handbags. That box is empty, which means no, those are my Christmas shoes. All my bags are here now. There's another small basket in the corner with junk in it. We won't go in there. And then above, I have another basket, and I have 2 boxes of shoes fit in there. Stuff we don't use often at all are up there, and that's good. It's tucked away. My jeans are on the top. I'll swing around and show you. I had this from a liquor store, an old wine crate, and that is filled with my boots. So now I'm organizing and categorizing things so that I know where everything is, even though it's up high. And after boots, the basket is filled with loafers. So I know that is there. Boots and loafers are up there, winter styles. And here, that's tchotchke stuff. And, you know, my jewelry making things up in that box that I didn't unpack. And then down here in the corners, some more incidentals, non-incidentals, whatever have you. A box with, you know, more junkets. And over here are my mostly worn shoes. You've seen these. Those are my black loafers, my Cinderella loafers, and my patent leather. Okay. Now in this basket back there are all my dress pumps. And I see the little alligator toe sticking out to remind me all my dress pumps are in there, because believe it or not, after a few hours of months of not wearing them, I do tend to forget what I've put where. Okay, in here I've left the Vans in the sneakers in the boxes, so I know those are sneakers. You know, I have red Vans, black Vans, suede. I have a couple of pairs. Okay, back here I remained pretty much more than half of what I had in my hanging closet. Okay, so I see all my summery pants. I left these here, not that I'm wearing them, but I need them close by. Okay, now for the dresser. Everything's the same. I tried to neaten it up a little bit, but you know, I still have my religious statues and my jewelry, and I've added 2 more little boxes that I brought from Florida, and that's pretty much enough. I got necklaces still hanging up in here. I rearranged it and I kept it because this is, you know, I have no place for them, but I do use these. You've seen me when I go out, I tend to like to put a necklace on to dress up a shirt. So, and I got my belts here. All my belts are in the corner on nails. You know, I could get fancy ones. When I get a chance, I'm going to look into getting little nice brass hooks. What else? I got my 4 drawers here. Underneath, there's room for shoes I wear on and off every day. In the back corner, that's going to get cleaned. We're going to put something there that we just need, maybe dog bag or something. Those are things I stuck in there for now that I'm donating to the church. So that's going to be cleared. Okay, now down here, we were able to keep our hamper. It rolls in and out nicely. See? Very accessible, so that's important. And again, down here I have 2 bins filled with stuff we don't use. The bottom one's filled with Christmas pillows and fabric decor and things and soft things from Christmas that we don't use. So that could stay there for years. I mean, and I would never pull it out. And that's about it. Vinny has all his stuff in his drawer, so I won't open them. Those are his undies and such and all that. Same for me. Now, the big deal was that I'm very happy we did was we took the carpet up in the closet. The floors are gorgeous. They're solid. It just feels cleaner and bigger to me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think that it looks better? And he had the metal piece he put there. I'm going to be taking it out in the other closets as well. I just like it. And it makes it cheaper, believe it or not. I want to point this out. That being gone. And I'm going to take the entryway and that closet, which I'll show you next. I'm going to take the carpet all out of that complete area. And you see the way the entrance to the bedroom is? We'll put the brass bar across. Now, what that means for me is I'll save hundreds and hundreds of dollars when we're ready to redo the carpet. We're not now because this is a really good carpet and it's in really good condition. So another year or so. Plus, we're going to be doing more renovating. So we're not going to jump to recarpet. But when I'm ready, I'm going to save by making that transition. Back in the corner, they still didn't sell. We're going to wind up giving them away, the crown moldings. And as an added bonus, let me show you. I restyled my bench and put it back in here because I like it. I like the light in this corner at night when I have nothing else on and I'm on the bed watching a movie like I was last night. I enjoy looking over to the side and seeing something pretty that I've put together. That's what it does for me. It's not needed in here. It's just very wanted. And for me, something pleasant. I just enjoy it. Anyways, the dress is going, okay? I think I hinted and alluded to the fact that we're going to be putting a fireplace there. Now, here's the situation. I thought to save Vinny some work time because the man has done everything I've asked him, and he's kind of getting tired of making things. So I thought I could put a freestanding nail like we have in the living room, but I can't. And the reason being, if I put a ready-made, the flame will be so close to the floor, it will take away the whole reasoning that I'm putting it here. Let me show you perspective. I want to be in bed and to see the flame. And if it were down there, I won't see it. See what I'm saying? So we have to raise it. So that means we have to buy the box custom, the firebox electric custom, and Vinny has to make the box. He has to make the box custom. When he does that, he'll be able to put the flame at the height I want it. So that's cool. And another point to make out back in the corner here, I'm showing you all this so you can understand. So when it comes about, you'll be happy to see the reveal. That is the mantle from the living room. That was over $350. So I'm not ready to trash that. So we're going to repurpose that. That's a square box. Take the corbels off and it will be the top part of the mantle. And then we're going to make Vinny do the box for the fire insert out of the same wood here in a different direction so that they will seamlessly match. And I like that. And you'll see when it's done, it's going to be lovely. In the meantime, we're trying to sell this dresser on Facebook Marketplace. If anybody's in Glen Cove area and needs a dresser that is mint, they go for $350 and upwards, close to $400 now at IKEA. It is quite stable. It is lovely. We barely used it. Okay, so that's going. Let me give you a quick bonus. Oh, and I changed the pillow here. I found my second leopard. Lucky me. We weren't able to do this had we not done this closet. It's not finished, but I'll give you a peek. Here's the peek because we put a light up there. Vinny's going to add shelf lights there and there. Those are my bags, my winter boots. So you can see we transition stuff. Vinny kept all his big jeans for here for the winter and his long sleeves and such. And I kept all of my long sleeves and wintry things in here. A few summers, but not much. In there is more bags. I'm going to be selling those. And we left a touch of Christmas stuff up there. I'm going to neaten that even more. I'll probably get a bin and put those trees in and see which I want to keep and which I don't need because it's not necessary to have all this stuff and we're not even here for Christmas, if you know what I mean. All right, let me show you one more bonus of what we did. I've been organizing. You can't do one closet without affecting the other two. At least that in this house. Okay, I had to reorganize and get everything was clumped under there. I had to vacuum it. You couldn't see. All the shelves now mostly, see, when it's organized, I just feel better. Excess towels are up there. A basket is empty if I need to hide away something. Then we have the toilet paper, Scott towels, beach towels, coffee, sponges, the laundry detergent. That's the laundry corner now down here. He's bought in 2 more cases of his protein. It's going to go there. That's why I'm telling you it's not a blank space. That's going to be filled. And there, I had to have a dedicated spot for my electric pan, which I'm going to be using on Jeanine's kitchen. I have to have dedicated spot for my wine. It's my large skillet. That bin down there is pretty much empty other than plastic bags. That's our Mexican train game. Dog pads, Scott towels. My hope is to keep the bottom clear of stuff because now I have my pants. Now up here, I maneuvered things and cleaned it. Up here again is things that we rarely use. We rarely use any of this. Coolers and all that. The cereal, this should be the last time we'll have that. So basically, once he finishes them, I can have that for a bin, another bin, and neaten up. Okay? And then I brought any extra clothing from the closet I brought into here. You could see some of my summer shirts, my sweater. For the most part, it's winter in here. And then I moved the suitcase back into the corner and pulled the chairs close to here, because now that we have the table open for 4, we need those chairs quickly accessible or readily accessible, whatever you want to say. And I'm loving that I had 2 bins under here that really weren't needed, you know. And in here, again, this is my food pantry. That's the same. Again, I needed to hide away things like my slow cooker, large cans of sauce, which I'm not going to really accumulate that many anymore. I'm not, because we're not here long enough. We're here already into 2 months, and I probably made sauce once, okay? So that tells me I don't really need to stock that. I got plenty of pasta still. I'll finish that by the end of the season, and we'll get that pretty cleaned. But everything has a home and a place, and it feels good. I'm giving away that. Some other additions that, you know, little, what do you call those? They're going to go to donation. I took a big bin. So that's what's been going on at the Furtados with closets. We'll end with that. And the next project will be, we're in the process of eliminating the dresser, and we will begin the fireplace build. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you watched till the end. I hope you got some tips, because when you live in a little apartment, even though it's our summer cottage, we love to call it, if it were our only forever place, and believe me, we started in a basement, so we know how to roll. If this was our only space, we utilize every inch. All right. Have a great Saturday.